Well, we are seeing them everywhere. QR codes, those black and white patterns you can scan with your phone to access websites and apps or menus in restaurants. We even use them sometimes right here in our newscast. They're more popular than ever with businesses, but unfortunately now with hackers too. Consumer investigator Chris Kimura is here with a warning.
QR stands for quick response. Well, some thieves are corrupting these quick codes for fast cash. With 4 lots, 2 garages, and 2,475 total spots, it's easy to forget where you parked at San Jose International. But this airport QR code can help. You scan it when you park, and it saves your location for later. SJC says you can trust its QR codes.
We use a third-party manager to monitor and manage the QR code system there.
But as quick response codes are popping up everywhere,
Dr. Alistair Martin started Vote ER.
More and more.
They have QR codes on the table.
Cybersecurity experts say we need to slow down.
It's just another way for a hacker to be able to get to your device.
Alex Mosier is with MobileIron, a tech security company in Mountain View. It just polled 2,100 people in the U.S. and the U.K. 40% had scanned a QR code in the past week, and 53% wanted to see more of them. But 71% admitted they couldn't spot a malicious QR code.
You don't always know when you're scanning a QR code if it's taking you to a site that you can know and trust, because a QR code that's legitimate and one that's not tend to look exactly the same.
Mark Kranak says he fell victim.
I was like, I can't believe I did that.
He used a small business's QR code to make a contact-free payment.
Or even open your phone to hackers. So you need to check for tampering before you scan.
But it is somewhat challenging to be able to identify that. You're sort of just relying on your own luck to be assured that that you're scanning the right code.
Back at SJC Airport, there's a low-tech backstop to ensure its QR codes are okay to use.
We have staff in our terminals and on the buses even who check the QR codes to make sure that stickers haven't been peeled off or altered and that they have not been replaced.
Let's review some steps to avoid crooked codes. Don't blindly scan QR codes. Always consider the source. Also, get close. Inspect the code itself to see if someone's tampered with it. And here's another idea. Consider adding security software to your phone. It's not a license to scan random QR codes, but it might help block attacks. Finally, do what Mark did. Set up alerts with your bank and credit cards. Here's a QR code you can trust. It'll take you to this story on NBCBayArea.com, where you can learn more about protecting your phone. You can also provide us with your news tips.